Hello, my name is Eric Yeomans. I'm a product manager for large wheel loaders for Volvo Construction Equipment North America, and I'm here at the World of Asphalt in St. Louis, and I'm here to show you the new next generation large wheel loaders. We have the 260 here at the show, so I can show you some of the features, and I can also talk to some of the features that's available on the L150 and L180 and 220 also. So one of the new cool features is a new feature we call auto bucket fill. So when we activate this in the Volvo integrated co-pilot, we can set it to we activate it, and then when we hold the kickdown button for more than 2 seconds, the machine or the computer takes over the whole bucket filling cycle. So we control the lifting, the tilting, and we also control the throttle function. And then once we come up to a certain height, then it stops, then the operator takes over that function, and then dumps the material and then comes in and starts that cycle again. So we have 3 settings. We have a setting for sand, we have a setting for gravel, and we also have a setting a custom where the operator can go in and customize the bucket filling function for himself. So we find that that's going to save basically fuel, and it's also going to increase productivity for not so good operators. And in this industry we see a lot more customers requesting this feature because it's hard to get new operators, skilled operators into this industry. On the L150, L180, last year in November we increased the lift cylinder rods on those machines, and it gave us an additional 4.7 and 5.8 inches dump clearance on the standard boom and the long boom. And now with this machine on the 150 and 180, we're taking the hydraulic pump flow from 48 gallons per minute to 67. That's on the 150, and from 57 to 67 gallons per minute. And that really is going to reduce those cycle times. I tested the machine, and I was able to produce about 55 tons more than the standard machine in an 8-hour shift. So going to give the customer the possibility to produce more with basically the same work time. On the L220 260, we have a new feature called automatic traction control. So we replaced our dog clutch design differential. Now we have a wet clutch design instead. And again, if we go into Volvo integrated co-pilot, we activate the function, and we can select it to work in first gear forward and reverse, or first and second gear forward and reverse. So we're then monitoring the torque that's coming out of the transmission, and we're monitoring the rotation of the axles in the differential. So it automatically engages up to 7 miles an hour, and then the operator can also push the button on the floor and engage it up to 15 miles an hour. So we really know that this is going to save on tire wear, and it's probably going to help increase productivity because you're not going to get that wheel spin and loss of traction. The big thing I like about now is we've really updated the cab design. We have the new Volvo word mark, and around the front we have the iron mark. If you come around the back, we have the new grille. It's really, I just like it. It just looks really more modern with the new Volvo word mark. And then when you open up to fill the machine, we have a new service light here. So it's really cool. Now it's going to be really good for operators when it comes to filling the DEF and the diesel when it's dark. If you come around here, we now have the electric fuel priming pump. So you basically press that, hold it for 3 to 5 minutes, and it bleeds out the whole fuel system. So it's going to reduce the amount of time it takes to do servicing. I can't see them now, but inside the engine hood we have captive fuel and oil filters as well. So that's really easier to dispose of those filters. So it's better for the environment compared to the spin-on. If you look here, you'll probably see the new entrance to get to the front platform. So the operator can climb up here, step across here to the front platform, always maintaining 3 points of contact, and then he clips in his harness up here, and it does it in a safe way. The other cool feature we have now on the 150 right up to 260 is what we call smart control. So what we basically do is we're controlling the throttle function and the rim pull function, and we're seeing now up to 4% fuel reduction, just pure fuel reduction. We're talking about fuel efficiency tons per gallon. So that's also going to help customers with lower the TCO. And we have a whole bunch of stuff in the cab with the new co-pilot and everything. You're welcome to go in and have a look at that yourself. Yeah.